Hey guys, I'm really excited to share that I received something in the mail yesterday and I'm going to do a little unboxing video with you today. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo and I got it off Amazon Japan at a pretty good price. So I'm really excited about this. I did extensive research on a good action cam slash content creator camera and this one was ranked pretty high. So let's just dive into the unboxing. So this is the box, fresh out of the plastic packaging, and there's just a little sticker at the top here, which I'm just going to remove. Let's dive in. So this is what it looks like freshly opened. There's a pack of silica gel, and I guess everything is in here, but let's see what else we have. So this is everything in the box. Now it's empty. I think these are stickers. There is a quick start guide, a DJI recommended video editing app QR code, and some warranty things in here, and the safety guidelines. So what's in this white box? Let's check it out. This is what it looks like. I think it's just, that's all. I'm guessing this is the protective case. Yes, it's the protective cover. So the quality is really good. It's very sturdy and it has a little bit of like a leathery, rubbery texture on the outside and like a velvety texture on the inside. So I think this is gonna be pretty good. Let's put that aside and dive into the main packaging. I think this is the carrying bag. So everything is supposed to fit into this, and indeed it does. It's a pretty sturdy bag, and it opens up wide like this. You can see, yeah. And in here we have the Osmo Pocket 3, the camera itself, and we have got the mic transmitter. Not sure what these things are. This, I think, is the battery handle. I think it looks like the battery handle. And we also have here the... Honestly, I have no clue what this is. Oh my goodness. It looks like we're gonna attach this to the camera, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'll figure it out. But that's what we have. And we have this, I believe, mini tripod, which is really cute. Like, come on. Right. We also have the mic windscreen as well as the wide angle lens, which I'm not going to remove from the plastic because I'm clumsy and I don't want to get scratches all over it. And then we have a table. I think that's about it. Okay, so this is the handle. This is the battery handle. So the taller one is the battery handle and the shorter one is just the regular handle. Oh, there's stuff in here. Okay. We have the wrist strap here. Found it. Okay, so it was lodged into, they have like some small pockets in the inside here. I don't know if you can see, but there's like pockets in the inside of the bag. So it was just lodged in there. I think this is the mic's clip magnet. Let me just give you a better look at what we have. We have the most exciting part of the package, which is the camera itself. Look, I mean, come on, this is so cool. Yeah, and I'm going traveling at the end of the year, and I'm pretty sure that this will come in handy as well when I'm doing my travel content. Let me see. Okay, so the screen does rotate. I'm not going to remove the sticker at this point yet, but oh, guys, check it out. Okay, so it's already turned on just by turning the screen. It's basically asking me to set it up right now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to power it off, and I guess figure out how to put it in the case later on. But this is the camera, this is the case. I think we've already seen enough of the case. And the mic transmitter, it has a little clip here, so you could, you know, like clip it on your shirt or something. Otherwise you could use the clip magnet, I guess. So, clip magnet. Oh, it's a really strong magnet too. Like, look. It's like really, right? And it's really hard to like get pull them apart. I'm not going to open this yet because I'm not going to be using it at the moment, so I'm just going to keep it in the case. The wide angle lens is really cute. We have this really nice wrist strap that's adjustable, right? There's this little piece of plastic that you can just slide, and I guess you loop this into the camera. Like here, there's like this thing here. And then the battery handle and the regular handle. So I think the only difference is that this is able to provide a little bit of power source to the camera while you're filming and things like that, so that it lasts a bit longer. I guess this is a charging cable. The mini tripod's extremely cute. I think we are supposed to use the handle with the camera, like so. So now it's clipped in, and then there's the thread here which you can attach to the mini tripod. So yeah, so I guess if I don't need this, then okay, so this is the release button. The release button, when you want to remove the handle from the camera, you just press onto this and pull it out. Okay, and then we have this really cute what do you call it, windscreen. So this really cute windscreen. It's really soft and fluffy. I'm definitely gonna be testing these out soon in another video, but I just wanted to get on real quick to share my unboxing experience, and it is extremely exciting. I'm really excited about everything that's in this bundle. So hopefully you guys are excited as well to see the type of footage that I'm able to record with this camera and all of its accessories. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!